Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, April 17th, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. I will start with this one. This is the big picture. Any rallies into the 280s, 285.54, 289.66 should be considered sell opportunities through the month of May, below which the low 160s, mid 150s expected over the next, I'm guessing, kind of a 3 to 5 week objective. 155.86 to 161.97, long-term 5-year channel support that if tested in the coming weeks, and it's assumed that we will once again below the 280s, 285.54 to 289.66, that lower area on the weekly chart, 155, 161 handle support, able to contain annual lows. And from there, we can stabilize and even turn higher as we move into later year. So that is the big picture. The question is whether we'll see the 280s anytime soon. I'll get to that in a moment. For right now, though, we did test and slip below the 237.34 5/8 Fibonacci. That is a 5/8 downside over the last, really the last 2 weeks extreme, the last week and a half extreme. If we happen to break a 237.34 today, and I know we did it yesterday, but I think on the next attempt, if we break it, or certainly if we open below 237.34, the 219.41 1-week descending channel bottom is likely. So you can see that over to the far right, breaking or opening below 237.34 will keep 219.41 in reach today, where a daily low can be placed. And if we close today below 219.41, then I'm expecting 197.77. Within several days, 3 to 5 days, something like that. So this is pulled away. This should have a weekly 3-star support level next to it. It's a bit of a moot point today. I don't see us testing it, but just know that if we, for whatever reason, close below 219.41 today, we should see the 197.77 descending channel bottom within just a few days, where we can place a good low through next week and round up again for a week or two. And we'll just kind of see where we're at that point in time. But just know that holding below 285.54 does keep 161.97 in reach over the next 3 to 5 weeks. We could see 197.77 by the end of next week if we close today below 219.41. I hope that all made sense. When you download this newsletter, and just so you know, it is downloadable. We provide it for free. This will be properly noted as a 3-star weekly support level at 197.77. Now, working up today, holding above, I should say, 237.34 will keep 257.72 in reach. And I don't have that drawn out, but it's a simple short-term descending channel top over the last week. I don't see it as a significant resistance area, but we're an appreciable distance from it right now. It actually could contain daily highs perhaps. So as far as the day trade goes, you can buy 237.34, anticipating the possibility of 257.72, where day trade long positions can be liquidated, and you could even play the short side at 257.72. If we push through 257.72 today, this trend line at 266.13 is in reach, where a daily high can be placed. It would be a settlement today above 266.13, which I don't see happening, but if so, we should, within several days, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, push into the significant 285.54 to 289.66 area, where once again, we can top out through the month of May, and below which the low 160s, mid 150s remain a 3 to 5 week target. If over the next couple of weeks we close above 289.66, we have a good low through the month of May. This is a go-long strategy then through May, 386.88, then considered a 3 to 5 week objective if we close above 289.66. But until then, holding below 289.66 will keep the mid 150s to low 160s in reach as a 3 to 5 week target. So to clarify, intraday support at 237.34, intraday resistance at 257.72. If we push through 257.72, then we test today 266.13, where a daily high can be placed. And if we close today above 266.13, by the middle of next week, we push into the significant mid to upper 280s. I don't expect that scenario to play out. This is a heavy market below the 280s, and I am expecting the mid 150s to low 160s. And so it is actually likelier that we break today 237.34, and in the process wind up testing 219.41 on an intraday basis, where we can place a daily low. If we close below 219.41, then yes, expect this targeted, really, 197.77 formation within a few days, where a low can be placed through next week. And if settled below, our mid 150s, low 160s objective likely within a full week of activity. I hope that all made sense. Please go to wickedstocks.com. Check out our daily SPY and Triple Q analysis. We put 2 stock picks out this week, Motorola and Dutch Brothers. They're still very relevant. If you take advantage of our 5-day free trial, you'll see those and next week's 2 stock picks. So take advantage of that. Go to wickedstocks.com. I will be back Sunday afternoon with Monday's Tesla. There are no markets again on Friday. You have a great weekend.